I'm Sue Walker, and I'm going to show you how to caramelize nuts. You will need a skillet, cooking spray, sugar, and the nuts. You can caramelize almonds, cashews, pecans, and walnuts with this recipe. Lay a sheet of aluminum foil on the counter and spray with the cooking spray. Now start by putting about 1/2 cup of sugar in the skillet. Put the skillet on the burner at medium-low heat. Add 1 1/2 cups of nuts to the skillet. Stir the sugar and the nuts together with a wooden spoon. Heat the sugar until it starts to melt. This will take a few minutes. You must watch it very closely because it'll burn easily. When you see the sugar melting, start stirring the nuts again. Stir until the sugar is completely melted and is starting to turn a caramel color. After the nuts are coated, pour out onto the aluminum foil and try to spread the nuts out with the spoon and separate them. There will be clumps of nuts that'll stick together. Let the nuts cool completely and then break them up into smaller pieces. Now they are ready to use on salads, ice cream, or snacks. And that's how to caramelize nuts.